What's up, guys? As you can see, it's time to start Haitian's MK4 Supra build. It's been sitting for like a year. Got painted, got gutted, took parts, put on my car, and I put them back now. Yeah. So this is his fully built 2JZ with GT bottom, GT head, all the goodies: pistons, rods, main caps, big cams, ported, just everything you need. He stole my brand new head, by the way. Just had to let y'all know that in case, because y'all just heard me say I took stuff for his. Plasma man intake, drive-by-wire, the works. So his plan is he wants 1,500 horsepower. I don't know if he's gonna watch this video. He's not getting 1,500 horsepower. You know what I'm saying? He's gonna get like 1,399 or something like that. And when I said put the engine in the car, I mean Nick's gonna put the engine in the car, and I'm gonna go over there and drink beer. Right, Nick?
Right? He ain't no beer to drink.
No! We're gonna call Haitian. We're gonna call Haitian. That's what we're gonna do. Join us in this video as we go on to building his Supra that can't beat my 34, because this is all he's building it for. He's trying to beat my 34. We're not gonna let it happen. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're gonna try to get the engine in there tonight. Doesn't look like much, but it's a whole lot. We're gonna put it in there and start mocking stuff up. We probably put the tranny on and then build while it's in there and make it nice and fancy. So let's get to that. Haitian like to come by and hang out and mess with stuff and act like, he knows what he's doing. But realistically, we know he don't know what he's doing unless it's like a jet ski or a track hawk or a Ram 2500 with a blown up transmission. So, but yeah, he put the mount in the wrong spot on the JZ because he ain't a real JZ guy, He's too used to them V8s. So we gonna move them on to the right spot so we can line it up and make sure the engine is sitting in the right position so it's not crooked. You good? Fucker. They got me. Good? I didn't think my hand was that high. I did right here. It's alright. I think I moved fast enough that they didn't like a blood clot thing. It's going to get a blood line. Yeah. There you go. It's in there.
All right, well, strap it so I can put this motor on the stand.
It only took like 20 seconds in the video.
Yeah. Normal YouTube stuff.
I've never heard no peel it.
Peel it on, peel it off. I'm scared. Goddamn peel it bearing. Oh, damn.
You peeling the bearing off?
Alright, so I need the 10. I need a plastic one.
You gotta pull up your video so you have enough space. I mean, you have enough footage.
I'm recording right now. I think he's recording when I said it, right, Nick? You want to see it in the video? I got it on record.
I got video evidence.
Yep.
Video evidence.
He don't think I was recording. Yeah, it just turned out I was just pointing the camera, wouldn't even had it recording the whole entire time. All night. We had to pull the motor back out and put it back in order to make the video. Yup. Well, we left the bolts of the transmission in the car, so we're bringing it right back down.
Hey, spaceship pulling up.
Yup, space coupe. Got it. It's that Big John. Man got the beer, but no food. You got them?
Nope.
So you're sure there's nothing else we need back here before we ended up putting it back up and having to drop it back down again?
I do need these. These are the cross member.
All right. That's a start.
Can't make any promises then later.
Did you get the bracket, Nick?
Right.
The brace, right?
Yes.
Mount.
I got that. Oh, you got beer with no food. Yeah.
Wait, don't talk about the automatic one though.
Yeah.
Bushing not a bear.
Yeah, it's a bushing like a Nissan.
Oh, fuck it up, bro.
You get the fucking auto one. The car's not going auto.
I didn't say nothing.
Isn't that it, dog? Who's that? You know who that is, right?
I didn't say nothing. No,
Motherfucking Ops and fucking Leebird.
yeah, he died.
He motherfucker old.
I know he dead. He's not old, he dead.
Hey, camera guy, you recording? All right, so time for the motor to go in. I mean, the tranny to go in. The motor's already in. Clutch is on. Flywheel's on. We trusted that Nick torqued it properly, guys. Just and then we're gonna put in this very rare V160. Haitian wants to make all this power, but if he breaks this thing, money just goes, which he's pretty good at doing.
Damn, not worried.
Not worried. So we're gonna put in this V160, and then we might be at a standstill for a little bit. So we might need a couple of more parts, but at least we made some progress. We are gonna push it back out and leave it outside for another year until we feel motivated to finish it. So come on, Haitian, help us put tranny up. Y'all can man that, bro. Y'all don't even need this. Come on,
Yep.
show the muscle, bro.
Nah, hell no.
Yeah, come on.
Well, that's a V160 for a reason. That's way 160.
That's shit.
Alright, pick the back up. That is way 160.
Listen,
bro.
I hear you on the way.
Yeah,
bro.
look at
I'm
you.
tired.
Okay.
I'm tired. Bring that back.
You heard that?
Come on, bro. We just go straight up, straight in.
Oh my god. Alright, so you finna grab the bolts and be ready?
No, you gonna grab the bolts. Come on, I got you, bro. Come on, Haitian, bro. You keep thinking. You don't understand, bro.
Well,
we out here, bro.
I actually
Oh,
understand.
stop,
I
wait.
don't know if I,
Cummins.
No, shit, bad decision.
you know the video where Buddy shits the foot on his face?
There you go. There we go.
You're doing a great job.
Do the little
There you go.
twisty thing.
There you go.
Too high, go lower, lower. Yeah. There you go. Rock and push. Rock and push. Up, up. Rock and push. Haitian is really doing all the work here, guys. Haitian is really doing all the work.
My back.
All right, shit. Get the I mean dirt. I mean like 1990.
Why is it so far down?
It's because we're trendy. Oh my God! Stop! Stop! Let me see that
What?
camera. Let me borrow bumbo clot camera. Nick strikes again, bro. Nick double dowel this mother.
Strikes again?
Nick double dowel this shit, bro. Dang. And you was asking me about the whole Sam thing, bro. See what I be talking about, bro? This is exactly what I be talking about.
Double
This-
dowel?
He double dowel, bro.
Oh my God.
Like,
Down
come
road is
on,
over
bro.
there.
Like, you doubled down. Look at his face. Look at his face. That's the face of I fucked up. Like, Sam knows
That's
that
the
face.
face of-
Hey, Sam knows that face really, really, really well. Right, Sam? I hope you see this.
It's crazy that camera never out when he fucked up.
Huh? Of course.
The camera is never out when
Why
he
would it
fucked
be
up.
out? Because I'm fucking up.
Let's go. Let's go.
Look
Let's
at this guy, look at
just
this guy.
start it.
What? I don't fuck up, bro. Come on. I'm fucking greatness. I wake up every morning and I piss excellence. No, don't push it. No! Oh! Bro, I already almost lost my finger once today, yo.
Why's your finger in there?
Alright, so we undouble down Nick fuck up. When Nick fuck up, we catch Nick fuck up. Because, you know, Nick don't fuck up too much. But when he fucks up, boy, we remind him. You know, like that one time. No.
There we go.
Dad, if you're taking, we're gonna take a case over this.
He has a voice? Go ahead.
Nice and crisp.
I'm good, bro. I'm good. Good stuff. Hey, when y'all see this video, just know the cameraman got a tiny ass camera, bro. Tiny. Think it look like a pencil, it's like this, looking at me the whole time. Anyways, engine's in, transmission's in, clutch is in. I don't know what to tell y'all. Y'all see it, man. It's getting there. We're gonna make some more progress. In the next video, hopefully we can probably do the hot side, the headlights, the body harness, the fuse box, the wipers, you know, all the little BS that's annoying. We'll do that in the next video. And then fab work will be last. That's the plan. But till then, guys, you know, thank you guys for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Let's run this channel up. Me and my new camera guy, we finna be doing this work on Haitian Spot.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.